What's good, guys? Hoping you're doing well. Thank you for being part of the family. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please remember to subscribe, comment, view, and like my videos. Now, forgive the way I look. I know today the acne is evident, and you all can tell. I look scruffy because I just woke up, and I thought I should do a video showing you guys a day in my life. So I'll try and oh god, I'll try and be a little bit busy with my day or days, depending on if I'll take one day or the entire week before Friday, and then I'll put them together and I'll show you what a day or days in my life look like. If you guys see this video, it means I had so much to do. If you don't see it, then I didn't have nothing to do now that we are quarantined and everything. But yeah, I'll try to do this vlog for you, and should be going up on Friday. But before then, subscribe. Before you see what I do for the entire week or particular day, please subscribe. Hit the bell button also after subscribing, so you're notified every single time I post. Give my videos a thumbs up. Make sure you watch all my videos and give them a thumbs up. Comment and let's interact. But before then, before I make this week's video, let me go have some breakfast. See you guys when I'm ready to start my day. Ciao. Bye. Hi. Say hi, Baba. Hi. Then there's my mom. Mom, say hi. So guys, okay, I don't have a tripod, but don't worry, I'll soon get one. So I'm trying to fix the phone kwa gari, because we are on the move. Oh my god. There we go. Oh. Oh my god. Hey, I need a tripod. I'm trying to fix. Oh my god. What is going on? You guys, I need a tripod. Yeah. So I finally got something to do today. So my mom and I are going somewhere together with her friends. We'll probably see them. That's if they'll be comfortable, to be on camera. And then after, we'll go to the market. Today is market day in Kutus. Yeah, so Kutus is a big market, I guess. It's known in so many places. And we'll go find out prices of stuff, as we also buy stuff for our house. I'll let you guys know how much prices have hiked, ama they are low now that the borders zimefunguliwa and people are allowed to go places. So I'll let you guys know. But for now, let's go and pick my mom's friends, and I'll see you guys when we get to the market, I guess. Sawa sawa? Okay, see you guys. Mwah. So yeah, we just took a turn because that's where my mom's friend lives. And we'll go pick her as the first one. Then we'll head over and pick another one who lives a little bit further. And we'll go do our business, and then later on I'll see you guys at the market. Okay? Yeah, so this is how our roads look like. It's not a one-way like in Nairobi or any other big cities that you guys probably come from. Yeah, Kwani, is my phone combo? No, it's okay. Yeah, so this is how our roads look like, and so many borders, piki, whatever you feel like calling them. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh, Blanal, come hapo.
Yeah, YouTube. YouTube inakuwa na picha na videos. Na videos.
Nilimuona hapo akiongea.
Unafaa usubscribe.
Miriam amekuwa waidi kabisa. Mama ndio ni kale. Daga ideka. Ikagira wake.
Yeah, so guys, we are at the market. That's my little brother. Say hi, Baba. Hi. Yeah, good boy. So, as promised, I'll be showing you if prices have hiked, and probably people will look at me like I'm crazy or something, but it's okay. So yeah, let's get to the market. Alafu I show you guys if the prices are hiked ama they are chini. Sawa? Okay. So we are now entering the market, and this is what it looks like. Can be crazy, so we need to be a little bit careful, but yeah, we'll be okay. We are used to this already, so yeah, let's go. See, Nona Mandizi, this is where you should come buy your bananas. I bet they are cheaper. So this is like a banana section or something, I guess. So yeah, so we just keep walking. These are like ngwashes and doma, healthy people, you know, beans and everything. Still have bananas on this side. We have this ndoma zongwashe, malenge for your babies. It's a lot of everything around. So yeah, keep going. We're actually going to meet my mom. We have onions over there. Going to meet my mom. So you can hear like the many voices, but it's okay. Carrot section. Yeah, you'll hear lots of that because they're not used to it. And here is where we buy our carrots. Mama Sabina, mambo, sit for job. Tuko job. Tuko job, sisi. Carrot kilo moja ni how much? Carrot kilo ni how much?
Kanaitwa Miriam Alex.
Ni how much kilo? 30. Guys, you hear it's only 30 bob. I don't know how much you guys are buying them at, but here it's only 30 bob, and it's a huge. We have bananas, we have everything. It's kubwa, it's big. Yeah, so yeah. So that's my mom coming. Yeah, lots of Kikuyu happening, but it's okay. You see lorries over there. These lorries are the ones that come with stuff from wherever. There are so many. Yeah, that's my maito there. So what happens here is that if you're selling onions, you like stay at a particular place, like same stuff, same area you get. So now you see those are warus, this are warus here, this are warus over here, warus still. So it's easier for people to like know where to find stuff because they are located in one location. So yeah, we are looking for stuff. We bought carrots, and 1 kilo goes for 30 bob, which is $0.3, I guess. Yeah, about there. Missouri. So yeah, we keep looking. This is my mom and my brother. So yeah, let's keep walking until we find whatever it is we need for the house. Oh, these are gourgets and eggplant and cucumbers and hohos over there. So the gourgets are 50 kilo. They actually wait, stop it. Stop. They're actually more expensive than carrots are. Mom, hoho ni how much? Hohos pia 50 kilo. So actually they're expensive than carrots. That's crazy if you think of it. And it's a huge market. It even has... Wait, stand there, Baba. It even has... So this is a tomato section, rather nyanya section. So if you know someone in particular, you just go looking for them. But if you don't, you look for something that is good to your eyes. Yeah. Sasa, aya. So these are nyanyas, and there's a particular lady we know for nyanyas. So that's where we come. And we get some nyanyas. So let's wait and check the price. Baby? So I guess we'll buy here and let's see how much it costs. Poa sana. Mimi niko job. Hivi na simu yangu hiyo ni job. Niko sawa kabisa. So as you can see, mimi nimekuwa huku for 5 months sasa. Ukweli. Nilienda Nairobi once last week but one. Nikarudi. Lakini tangu lockdown nimekuwa huku. So as you can see, those are nyanyas and they are pimaing in kasukus, and one kasuku goes for 60. Now my mom loves them ripe like that, and that's why she has to buy them ripe like that. So yeah, so I'll put them down together, everything, and you will tell me how much it costs at your place. And ongezea half. So my mom must consult because when she's not home, I'm home and I cook. And the soko is huge. You know, we were on the other side, now we are on this other side. And as you can see, nyanyas everywhere. And yeah, people are looking at me like I'm crazy, but it's fine, it's okay. So yeah, see you guys when I like put down everything together for you. Onions at 40 bob a kilo. Crazy. How much are stuff going for at your places, you guys? I need to know because I think these prices are good enough and they are cheap enough considering what's going on in the country and everything. Just let me know how much is everything. After I put like the complete prices of everything, then you'll tell me, okay? In the comment section. These right here are oranges and the prices vary, I guess, according to where they come from, ama according to the size. So like now she's saying kunazo za 550 bob and kunazo za 100 bob. 100 bob is $0.1, ama is it $1? I don't even know. Nini baba? Tamu ya wewe iko kwa ile bag. Acha tufike kwa gari. Sawa? Yeah, so those are the prices of the oranges. Yeah. Oh, guys, it's been a long day, but at least we've gone to the market and we've seen different stuff and how much they cost and everything. And now we want to go and see if there's something that we like, and if there is, of course it will be after this. If there is no, we'll finish the day by baking. I want to bake a cake, and yeah, so see you guys when we get there, and I hope whatever we want is there and you guys will see whatever it is. So bye. Hey guys, so we stopped over somewhere for food. We were hungry. So in case you're wondering what this is fish. It actually is fish, and it's so yummy. And you know, kachumbari and ugali. There is mommy's, and we're waiting for the little boy to have his own. So yeah, and it's so yummy, too yummy. If you're in Kirugoya, you guys need to hit me up so I show you where it is. Yeah, 1, 2, go. Guys, we are back home and we are baking. Yay! So someone on Sunday said that they really want to know how to bake, and I thought in my own way I know how to, so I'll just put in a little bit of what I know in the vlog, and we'll call it a day. So see you guys when I start baking. So guys, as I had said, we will be baking a cake, and I just wanted to quickly show you what I'll be using, and then the rest of whatever I'll do will be in the description box. So I'll be using blue band. Come closer so they see. I'll be using blue band. I've measured my blue band. I'll be using sugar. I'll be using eggs. These are 4 eggs depending on the size of the cake you want. I'll be using some milk right here, and because I want my cake like darkish, I'll be using like the bitter drinking chocolate, what do you call it, cocoa. And then kamakawa, I have flour. As you can see, it's a self-raising flour. It's the one used for baking. And I also have baking powder and baking soda, which my sister will get from me. And yeah, so everything about the procedure in the baking will be in the description box. So for now, I'll just cook and do my thing and then check the description box. Peace. So we give it 35 to 40 minutes, and I'll show you the end product. So in 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to
subscribe and hit the bell button
and follow me on all my social media platforms. Until next time,
Baraka. Bye.